Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to show you a new gel polish I have received from Madam Glam, or you might have seen this one already on my channel because I did make a swatch and review video of this color and some other colors, and I used it in a couple of videos before as well, but it is a gel polish of the week video. And first up, I'm just starting off with my thumb and applying the soak off base gel, which I pretty much adore, by the way. It makes it so easy to get it off of my nails after I'm done wearing it. But this week's color is called Floris, and I've talked about it in a couple of previous videos as I just mentioned, but I am so in love with this color. It is just screaming my name. I pretty much am like head over heels for this color. It is a pure neon pink. It is super creamy, super opaque. You only need to apply like 2 thin layers and you are good to go. So here I'm just applying it. I am applying gels like usually on my right hand, so I am working with my non-dominant hand, so bear with me if it does take a little longer than what you're used of seeing from me in videos. So this video is a little bit longer, but I do hope you really enjoy though. So yeah, you just want to make sure that you have cured your base coat layer for 30 seconds before you go in with your color, and after you have applied your first layer you can just cure that for half a minute in LED as well, or I think if you have a UV light you have to cure it for a full minute, but it's not something to really make a big deal out of. I just have a UV light, so I only have to cure for 30 seconds. So yeah, just make sure you are aware of what kind of light you have which you cure your gel polishes in. So yeah, that was already the second coat, and after that one is cured for 30 seconds you want to go in with your soak off top gel or just your regular top coat. You could use a non-wipe top coat as well, but from Madam Glam I only have this one. So after curing this top coat layer, there is still like a sticky residue layer onto the nail, so you just want to wipe that off with some pure alcohol or a gel polish remover. I always use like the 96% rubbing alcohol, which I have put in a little spray bottle, which is super easy. Oh, and here you made me or see me made a little mess because I had a little bit too much product on my brush and it just dripped off. So yeah, that is why I mostly record on top of a kitchen towel, so my like table or my desk area actually doesn't get like gel polish and nail polish on it like all over the place, because I can be a little bit messy sometimes, especially with gel polishes. Because I work with my non-dominant hand, I tend to spill some stuff or just knock stuff over, or my cats run by and they knock like open bottles over and stuff like that. So that's why I always work on like something else to protect my table. But after your top coat is cured, I just took a little cotton round with some rubbing alcohol and just rubbed off that sticky layer. For the 4 other nails, I'm just going in with that base coat again. As usual, I always do my thumb like completely separate from the other 4 fingers. That's just more convenient to me. It is totally up to you if you want to work like that as well, or if you want to do all nails at a time, or maybe you just want to do 1 nail at a time. I feel like this way, just doing the thumb first like fully and then the other 4, is less time consuming than if you would do every single nail separately, because you can just cure your 4 fingers at a time and your thumb separately. You can do them all at the same time if you want to, of course. That is totally up to you. But in this like gel polish of the week video, I also wanted to talk a little bit about some stuff that's been going on. I actually made the decision to go from a video every other day to just like pick 3 standard uploading days. So I think I'm going to do like the Monday evenings, the Wednesday evenings, and the Friday evenings. And on Fridays, I will usually just go like premiering with you guys, or at least go live with you guys while my video just got live and uploaded, if you know what I mean. So my uploading like times will be exactly the same, so I will keep on uploading or just publicly setting my videos live at 2 a.m. Amsterdam time. So that will mean if I will upload on Monday evenings or nights, as it is night for me while it will go live, it will be around like 8 p.m. on Mondays in New York, and like early in the morning towards like Asia, Thailand, and all that jazz. That is like the most perfect timing for me, because I do have a ton of international subscribers and viewers, and I think that is the most handy time. So it is like evening or late afternoon in the US. It is like the middle of the night of Europe, where I'm from, but that's okay because we watch videos whenever we want to anyways. And then for my Asian followers, they just have a new upload in the morning, and of course you can always decide when you want to watch a video. That's totally up to you. And yeah, no judging here, you know. I watch videos like every day. I would love to watch videos like every hour of the day if I had enough time though, but because I still have a full-time job, I can't go and watch nail art videos, even though I would want to though. But yeah, back to the tutorial, or not really the tutorial, just watching me do my nails with a gel polish. I am so in love with this color. I have to say, I did wear this color for over 3 weeks, and there was still like no lifting or chipping or anything whatsoever. And yes, I do my own like household chores, so I do laundry, I do dishes, I clean my toilets, I do like everything around the house. Even with my job, I have to like pack heavy stuff. I have to like hassle with like wall tiles, floor tiles. I even like lift boxes of like 25 to 35 kilos. I do everything with my natural nails. Oh, by the way, these are my natural nails. I get like a lot of questions asking me if these are my natural nails. And yes, they are. Of course, you can always apply this lovely pink color onto like acrylic nails or gel nails or shorter natural nails if your nails aren't as long as mine. But yeah, this gel polish, or at least like every gel polish I have tried by Madam Glam, they do last like at least 3 weeks perfectly. The only thing is your natural nails do grow, so after a couple of weeks you will have some new growth, and you just want to like get rid of the entire color or just add some bling, some gems, some glitter on the new growth. That way you can really like elongate the wear of your manicure as well. But I just took it off last weekend actually. Now I'm recording it. It is Sunday the 14th of April, and this video will go live tomorrow evening, if everything goes according to my plan, at least. But yeah, I wore it for like 3.5 weeks. Maybe it was even 4 weeks. I can't remember when I applied it, but I've worn it for weeks. It was like 2 or 3 to 4 weeks at least. So if you are looking for a really good like gel polish brand which doesn't like damage the nails when you take it off, do check out Madam Glam. I also have like a discount code which you can always find in the description box down below for a 30% discount on your purchase. The discount code is femketje30. So yeah, if you do want to save some money and be really kind to your bank account and your wallet, do use my code. I'm not getting paid or anything to share that code, or when you use it I don't get like any percentage or anything like that. I just love helping you guys out as well, because if you are like me, you are pretty much addicted to nail polish, gel polish, nail art, just lovely nails, and it's always a good thing to save some money, you know, so you can spend it on other stuff such as AliExpress and nail art supplies. Just a little like tip. But yeah, I just applied the second layer and cured that for 30 seconds as well, and here I'm going in with my top coat layer, and of course always cap off the edges with the top coat as well, just to make sure that your manicure lasts a long time. I do have to say I was pretty shaky in this video. I actually have like sometimes a little bit higher blood pressure, and that makes my hands shake a little bit more, especially if I work with my non-dominant hand. I get the shakes like pretty easily, but I did see that I had some like tiny bubbles in my top coat, so you just want to check it from a couple of different angles to see if you have any bubbles before curing it. If you have some, just run your brush over it again, and that will get rid of most of the bubbles if you have any. And when you're like fully like happy with the application, you just want to get rid of any excess that has flooded onto the skin or the cuticle area. You definitely don't want to cure that into your skin because that burns and that hurts, and you just don't want that, trust me. And after curing your top coat, you just want to get a little like cotton round or lint free pad or anything you like to use, and some rubbing alcohol or gel polish remover to get rid of that sticky layer. But yeah, this was already my entire gel polish of the week video. I really hope you enjoyed. As usual, if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, you can always just ask me in the comments down below, and I will be happy to reply to you as soon as possible. Also, I'm really curious to hear what you think of this color. As I mentioned like 1,000 times before, I'm so in love with pinks. I love my neons. I think this just screams summer and spring, and I just really love this color to death. Once again, this one is called Floris, and it's from the new Madam Glam spring color collection. You can just find it all in their new like colors. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I really hope to see you in one of my next videos.